Children, now we will discuss image formation by a concave lens. A concave lens has only two cases of image formation. Case number one, when the object is at infinity. So when the object is at infinity, so the rays of light move parallel to the principal axis, and after refraction they get diverged. They all get diverged, and if we extend them backwards on the same side of the lens, so they all appear to meet at f1. So we can say the light rays are not actually meeting, but they are appearing to meet. So in this case, the image formed is virtual, erect and diminished in size. So the image is at focus f1, that is on the same side of the lens, and it is virtual and erect, and it is highly diminished almost to point size. Now case number 2, when the object is between infinity and optical center O. Now if you keep the object anywhere between infinity and the optical center of a concave lens, you will always get the same kind of image. So here you can see the object AB. So one of the ray is again moving parallel to principal axis. So this ray, after getting refracted from the lens, it will get diverged, and so if we will produce it backwards, it will appear to come from focus. The second ray of light is passing to the optical center, and it will go undeviated. So both these lines are appearing to meet between f1 and O on the same side of the lens, and you can see the image A dash B dash is a virtual and erect image, and it is diminished in size. So a concave lens always forms a diminished image, whether the object is at infinity or anywhere between infinity or optical center. So that's why concave lens is used for making the spectacles. It is also used in the telescopes. And the characteristics of the image formed in this case is the image is between f1 and O, that is on the same side, and image is virtual and erect, and it is diminished in size. So students, convex lens is also called a converging lens, and a concave lens is called a diverging lens. A concave lens diverges the light beam, and a convex lens converges the light rays. That means converges means they allow the light rays to meet at same point. They concentrate all the light rays on the same point, whereas a concave lens diverges the light. So therefore convex lens is called a converging lens, and concave lens is called a diverging lens. So today you have to draw all these ray diagrams along with the characteristics of the image formed in your notebook, and you have to learn them.